Does your money mindset need a makeover? How do you even tell? In this episode, we're talking about the 4 key signs that I've seen that signal your mindset might need a makeover. This is the Your Money, Your Life podcast where ambitious women come together to have clarity, prosperity, and confidence with their money without sacrificing precious time and well-deserved fun. So let's do this. Welcome back to another episode of the Your Money, Your Life podcast. We're talking about your money mindset today. And do you need a money mindset makeover? There's 4 key signals that I've seen that are like, hey, Gail, this is you. So let's get to it. The first one, you've hit your income goals and then you fall back again. So you're not seeing consistent long-term success, even though you're not afraid of the work. But you kind of end up on this yo-yo thing. You maybe hit the income goal and then you fall down, or maybe like even you have a spike of income and then you fall back. You might not even like actually hit the income goal, but either way, you're not consistently seeing the long-term success, even though you're actually putting in the work. That's like hey, look at me. This is a signal. Your mindset might need that makeover. Okay. The second one, you're operating from a constant state of exhaustion, probably because you're laying in bed at night stressed, wondering why this isn't enough. What more can I do? You're racking your brain, trying to figure out like, okay, what else can I do? Like, how can I fit more in the day? I have to be doing more because this just isn't enough. You're constantly tired because you're stressing and trying to figure out like, how can I do more? How can you actually make this happen? Another key sign, hey, let's go take a look at our mindset. The third thing, when you think about checking your bank account, what feelings are coming up for you? Like, hey, log into your bank account, go check it. What feelings come up? Even if you know you have money in the account, this can still be a source of like anxiety, stress, fear. All those things are like, whoa, even if you're making good money, does not necessarily mean that there's not money in the account. Having to check your bank account and it's like not a positive emotion. Key sign for me, let's check out that money mindset because we are triggering a money mindset story there. Let's figure out why and let's move past it, right? The fourth one, this one makes me laugh. You find yourself yet again on Google trying to figure out that secret sauce, that secret to success that you're missing. Maybe you're looking at competitors. If you have like a business, like, okay, how do they do this? How are they successful? What does this look like? How does this work? Or you're like, how do you make money online? How do you beat inflation? Which, all those things are kind of important. But if you're continually having to go to Google to figure out that secret sauce, that secret success, that secret that you're missing, money mindset, hey, let's go check that out. And those might feel like they're not related. Like, I know, confession time, I am like watching a bunch of gardening videos right now. So learning and diving into Google, really it's YouTube, but Google owns YouTube, on how to be more successful when it comes to gardening. So saying that kind of feels ironic because I'm listening and learning so many of these things about gardening at the moment, but so that I can improve my skill. But even with that, like there are certain people that I'm following, that I'm listening to, and that I'm learning from. I'm not looking for that new secret to success. I'm improving my skills. So there's a little bit of a difference there. But if you do find yourself consistently Googling, hey, let's check that out, your mindset might need a makeover, right? So there we have it. 4 key signs that are like, hey, your mindset might need a makeover. The first one was you've hit your income goals and then you fall back again. You're not seeing that consistent long-term success, even though you're not afraid of the work. The second one was you're operating from a constant state of exhaustion, possibly because you're laying in bed at night stressed, wondering why it's not enough and what more you can actually do. The third one was when you think about checking your bank account, there's like a negative or not fun emotion that is coming up for you, regardless of how much money is actually in the account. And the fourth one, if you find yourself on Google yet again, trying to figure out that secret to success that you're just still missing. So, your challenge for today, I want to hear which one of these signs was like, wait, that means that I need to check out my mindset, even if it's not one that you identify with. Which sign was like, I didn't know that related to my mindset? Because we all have those like, oh, hey, I didn't know that moments. It doesn't necessarily mean that your mindset needs a makeover. Like if you don't want to tell me that, okay, I'll let you stay lurker anonymous, but I do want to hear, send me a message on Instagram. Which one was like, wait, what? That's crazy. At Aimee Cerka, and we'll see you next week for another episode of the Your Money, Your Life podcast. Bye for now. If you loved today's episode and want to dive deeper, the Money Mindset Makeover Blueprint may be for you. Inside this course, you'll make over your mindset with practical, simple steps to gain clarity, confidence, and control over your money. Making over your mindset will allow you to reduce stress, get out of debt quicker, finally get ahead financially, and live the life that you want to live. So this is for you if you are ready for the proven path to wealth, move from scarcity to success with this mindset makeover. To check out the special offer for Money Mindset Makeover Blueprint and step into an unstoppable mindset that works for you, your money, your life, plus all the other goodies that are going to be included in this limited time stack, simply visit aimeecerka.com/stack. If you need that link again, of course, it's going to be hanging out in the show notes for you. Thank you so much for listening to the Your Money, Your Life podcast. Wondering what's next? When you're ready, there are different levels of support that you can use on the path to creating unstoppable finances and your unstoppable life. After all, your finances are unique and your support should be too. Ultimately, we'll create a customized plan to ditch financial struggle for good that works for you, your goals, your priorities, your life. Go to workwithaimee.com to get started with one of our most popular programs, or you can book a Q&A call with me and we'll figure out what your next step should be.